In this video, we're going to talk about creating multi-page websites. So far, we've only used one file, index.html. We've built a one-page website, but it's probable that you'll want to create a site that has a few pages. So I've scaffolded this page for us. We have a div with an ID of header. We have a UL with an L, two LIs. Each one of those has a link, although we haven't filled in href yet. And one of them says home and one of them says contact. And we'll talk about how to get this to work. So this is our homepage, and I've also just put H1, this is the homepage, so this is what it looks like. Now, let's create a new page for a moment, and we'll call this one contact.html. And I'm going to copy the entire contents of this page over here and say this is the contact page. And if we look at how to do this, here's our file path. We can change index to contact.html. Now we're on the contact page, which could have its own styling. It can have different content on it. For now, though, we're just changing the H1. Now, inside of these links, for home, we can just type in the name of the file. So index.html, and here we can go contact.html. And as long as these files are in the same folder, here we are. We can now move between these pages. And this is how, very, very simply, we create multiple page websites. If I copy these into contact.html to make sure that we have links on both pages, we can now toggle between the two. And there are nicer ways of doing this, but in kind of a really short way, this is how we create multiple page websites. So we use the A tag as normal, but in the href, we put a reference to a different file